You've probably heard this. Bitcoin is a get-rich-quick scheme. Wrong. Crypto is all scams. Also wrong. You can make 1,000-day trading crypto. Definitely wrong. These are lies, and I'm gonna tell you the real truth. The real truth about crypto. It's a legitimate technology with real utility. Bitcoin, digital store of value. Ethereum, smart contracts platform. But here's what it's not. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time. Most people who made money in crypto either got in very early 2011, 2013, or they have expert-level trading skills, or both. If you're getting in now, in 2026, you're not getting rich overnight. But here's what is true. Crypto is a long-term wealth builder. If you invest $100 a month for 10 years, you'll probably see good returns, but not house money returns. More like moderate wealth returns. The real scams. What is a scam? Guaranteed returns. I'll manage your crypto for 50% profits. This coin will 100x. These are red flags. Run away. The real strategy. If you believe in crypto long-term, dollar cost average. Invest fixed amount monthly. Diversify. Bitcoin plus Ethereum plus 1 to 2 others. Hold for 5+ years. Don't check prices daily. That's it. Boring? Yes. Profitable? Usually yes. So what should you do? Stop looking for get rich quick. Stop chasing pumps. Start thinking long-term. Where will Bitcoin be in 10 years? If you think it'll be higher, invest. If you think it'll go to zero, don't. That's it. Simple philosophy. No excitement, no drama. Just wealth building. Comment below, are you investing for 10 years or trying to get rich quick? Be honest. Subscribe for realistic crypto advice.